Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on operations with functions. We're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide two functions together. We're going to take a look at these four problems. You can always pause the video and try them before we go through them. All right, here we go. Taking a look at numbers 1 and 2. Number 1, adding two functions together. F of x is equal to 4x plus 2. And then we'll add plus g of x, which is 3x plus 5. And then we'll combine like terms. 4x plus 3x, we get 7x. And 2 plus 5, we get 7. So here is our combined function. I could also write it f plus g of x equals 7x plus 7. And there are no domain restrictions for number 1. We have two linear functions. We are not dividing by 0, and we're not taking the square root of any negative numbers. Number 2, subtracting. F of x, 4x plus 2, minus the entire g function, parentheses 3x plus 5. So we're subtracting every term in g of x function, minus 3x minus 5. And then we'll combine like terms, and we get 1x minus 3. And I could write this as f minus g of x is equal to x minus 3. Moving on. Number 3, multiplying these two functions together, we will need to FOIL or multiply these two binomials. And we'll do exactly that. 4x times 3x, 4x times 5, 2 times 3x, 2 times 5. Let's see, we get 12x squared plus. And then we'll combine our like terms. And there we go. That is f of x times g of x. Once again, there are no domain restrictions. We started with two linear functions, and we got a quadratic, which has a domain of all real numbers. We're not dividing by 0. We're not taking the square root of any negatives. Speaking of domain restrictions, let's take a look at number 4, dividing. So to divide these two functions, f of x, 4x plus 2, divided by 3x plus 5. And that's it. We can't simplify this any further. However, we do have a domain restriction. When the denominator is equal to 0. So let's take a look and see when our denominator is equal to 0. We will need to exclude that value from the domain. So when x is equal to negative 5/3, we get 0 in the denominator. So this needs to be excluded from the domain. And that concludes operations with functions. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.